So there are some massive talks happening in Islamabad. Let's get into what's really at stake.
First off, Pakistan's capital is basically a fortress right now. It's completely locked down. I mean, the security is just insane. The whole government center, the red zone, totally sealed off. And get this, we're talking 10,000 security personnel on high alert. That is a huge number. So why all this? Well, it's for some incredibly high stakes, make or break peace negotiations. The whole thing is built on a pretty fragile truce based on a 10-point plan from Iran. But the two sides are miles apart on the big issues like nukes and sanctions. And yeah, who controls key shipping lanes and regional power? Another huge point of conflict. But here's the biggest problem right now. That fragile ceasefire, it might already be broken. And it all comes down to Lebanon. The US and Iran see the ceasefire completely differently there. While these talks are being set up, Israeli strikes in Lebanon have ramped up big time. So Iran's basically issued an ultimatum, pointing the finger right back at the US. Okay, with all this tension, why on earth did they choose Pakistan to host? Well, it's pretty simple. Pakistan is one of the few countries that can actually talk to both sides. And they managed to pull it off by focusing on three really key things. But the real game changer? Getting China involved. That's what convinced Iran to even show up. So for Pakistan, this is being called their biggest diplomatic win in years. It's a huge deal. But let's be real, the mistrust is deep. Success here might just mean keeping the conversation going. So with everyone watching, you really have to wonder, can diplomacy actually pull this off?